Interview on such a windy day.
Yeah, it really was.
Next, we've got our interview here in the studio.
Hi, Josh. Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. Would you tell our viewers who you are, a little bit about yourself, and what organization you're with?
Sure thing. So I'm Joshua Schuetz. I'm with the Martin County Economic Development Authority. So the Martin County EDA is a department of Martin County that's dedicated to, spoiler alert, economic development. We help businesses get started, providing free consulting to them, work with prospects who are interested in locating in Martin County, and help nonprofits and communities in Martin County on different community development projects.
Very cool. Do you have any events coming up that you'd like to tell us about?
You know, as a matter of fact, we do. We have the Tour of Manufacturing event slated for October 16th. And actually, it's going to include some manufacturers from right here in Martin County, as well as in Faribault County, which neighbors us to the east.
Is it open to the public? I mean, is it to encourage jobs? What kind of is going to be the focus of that?
You know, it's kind of an interesting event in the sense that it is open to the public. We do have a couple of target markets for it. Those are students and folks who are interested in a career in manufacturing, whether they're looking for work right now or they are at a job and interested in making a career change. So short answer is everyone's welcome, but we really want to get some engagement from our students and folks who are interested in working in manufacturing and learning more about what these manufacturers are about.
How does one go about signing up or finding information on this event?
Sure. So you can go to the Faribault County EDA website. You can go to the Martin County EDA website, or you can give us a call if you're interested in signing up. So our office number is 507-238-4491. You can also shoot me an email at joshua.schuetz@cetausa.com and sign up that way.
Do you have any organizations that are partnering with you, or is it just you guys doing this?
You know, so the Martin County EDA is actually partnering with the Faribault County EDA, which is awesome. They've been wonderful to work with, and it's through those combined efforts that we've been able to get this event going. And actually, we've received grant funding from Compeer Financial and the Huisman Family Fund with the Southern Minnesota Initiative Foundation. So that's been, we've actually had some really great funding partners. We've also spoken to Lions, Kiwanis, lots of different entities.
Josh, it sounds like you're doing a lot of amazing things in the community. And Imagine Martin, we're kind of about the arts. And what is Martin County EDA doing with the art community?
So I'm glad you mentioned that. You know, arts is a passion of mine. I'm a great lover of painting, poetry, performing arts, all those things. We actually assisted Imagine Martin with getting started. We provided some consultations, worked on a business plan for the Imagine Martin Hub, which we're doing this wonderful show in, and I thank you guys for that. So yeah, that's kind of been our involvement with the arts. We've also written some arts grants as well for different organizations, Imagine Martin included in the past. So I'm really excited about that work because I think it's been paid very good dividends.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. I love that. So how did you get involved with the EDA and get here in Fairmont?
Sure. So I work for an organization called Community and Economic Development Associates. Martin County contracts with them, CETA, in order to provide those economic development services. And I've been with the organization for around 2.5 years, and I've actually been in Martin County just under that. So been in the community for a bit, still got a lot to learn obviously, but I've really enjoyed my time here. Every community in the county is different. I love Fairmont and I love Sherburne and Trimont, Ceylon and all the other communities in Martin County. I think there's just so many great things on offer here.
Well, it was an honor to have you on our show today. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks so much, Josh.
Well, that's a great organization doing really awesome work.
Yeah, they sure are.